Hey everyone, welcome back to Dive in the Words. Today, we're diving into a book that has transformed the way many of us approach time management and prioritization. It's First Things First by Stephen Covey. If you've ever struggled with balancing your to-do list and focusing on what truly matters, this book is a must-read. So let's get started. Stephen Covey is best known for his groundbreaking book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, but in First Things First, he takes things a step further. This book is all about mastering the art of prioritization and time management, and it's packed with practical advice that you can apply right away. So, what's this book all about? Covey introduces us to the time management matrix. It's a tool that helps you categorize your tasks based on urgency and importance. Here's the gist. The matrix divides tasks into 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1 is for urgent and important tasks. Quadrant 2 is for important but not urgent tasks. Quadrant 3 is for urgent but not important tasks. And Quadrant 4 is for neither urgent nor important tasks. The real magic happens in Quadrant 2. Covey argues that by focusing on these important but not urgent tasks, like planning, relationship building, and personal development, you set yourself up for long-term success. Another key idea in the book is principle-centered leadership. Instead of reacting to external pressures, Covey suggests that you lead by aligning your actions with your core values and principles. This way, you stay true to what really matters to you, even when things get hectic. Covey also talks about the importance of having a clear personal vision. This means defining your goals and aspirations so you can guide your daily actions toward achieving them. It's all about having a roadmap for your life. Prioritization is another big theme. Covey provides some great strategies for making sure your time is spent on high-impact activities. He recommends creating a weekly plan that focuses on tasks that align with your long-term objectives. Balance is crucial too. Covey emphasizes integrating work, family, and personal well-being. He shares strategies for managing multiple roles and responsibilities without losing sight of what's important in your personal life. Effective delegation is also a big part of Covey's advice. He suggests delegating tasks based on competency and trust, so you can focus on what you do best while empowering others to contribute. Finally, remember those Quadrant 2 activities we talked about? Covey argues that focusing on these proactive tasks leads to greater success and fulfillment in the long run. So there you have it. First Things First, by Stephen Covey, is all about prioritizing what truly matters and managing your time in a way that aligns with your core values. It's packed with practical tips and tools to help you lead a more balanced and productive life. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more book summaries and personal development tips. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing you want to prioritize in your life? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Dive in the Words.